Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about CSS selector. First, how to get the CSS selector in Cypress. So there are four types of CSS selector we are using in that Cypress. So as you know, first preference we are giving to the CSS selectors, and that Cypress is by default is using the CSS selector. And when we want to use that XPath, so we have to use that external plugin files for that to interact any elements. So we will discuss about the CSS selectors. So there are four types of selectors is there CSS selector. Number one is the ID. So we have to use hash ID, and or we can use as tag hash ID. Second thing, we are using the class we want to use the dot class or tag dot class. Third one, we are using the any attribute. We can say that key and value. So attribute and value. Or we can use the tag and attribute value. Fourth one is defined like that attribute value with the class or tag dot class. This fourth is there for select selector. So in this video we will learn about has I understanding about that how to take that ID and tag ID. This is the example of that. Okay, so we are taking the one website which is a practice-automation.com. We are in the home page. Okay, so when you want to take that any customized selector, we have to go to the right click on that page and select the inspect. This is the inspect is there. We have to select, click on the inspect. So in the right side it is showing the everything whatever available on the web page. So click on that arrow mark and select which button we want to click on that. So suppose you want to click on home page, already home page is there, so we want to click on the practice, so we will click on the practice. So here you can see this id is there. Okay, this id is there. So when you want to this id will take it, and you how to use the id has id we have to use. So this id is there. So here if you want to check, so we have to press control F. So here it will come one more uh, text box. The match is there, how many elements are available in the page or not. Type has and paste it. So you can see one element is there, and yes, matching item also one. So this is our id to click on practice button. So we'll try. We'll write the script for that, and we can understand about that. So this is our VS Code, and we will go to the Cypress folder, and here we have to go to E2E folder. Here we need to create the test case. So we'll right click, new file, and we will give the file name is select CSS selector.cy.js. Okay, and first things we require the describe block. Describe describe block. Okay, and here you can define like that css selector. Okay, create the function. Okay, now we will define the it block. It block In it block we can mention that which it block we want to do, like CSS selector ID using using sorry using ID. Okay, and we will do for using ID. We will try. Okay, this is there. Now we want to use that our things like which website we want to visit. So cy.visit. Sorry. Okay, cy.visit. What is the URL of that website? Okay, till here we did. We are taking the URL of that and we are entering the URL. Okay, so till here we are launching that website on home page. Now we want to check that after the launching that page, you should click on the practice button. So this is our ID, selector as ID. I want to suggest like that. Please use the ID. ID is like more faster than other things. So here is there. You can click dot. Click our function is there. You can click on that. Okay. Now we will check. So first we will start running the our test case. So how to start the Cypress? npx Cypress open. So you can see now Cypress is opening and our test case name is CSS selector. We can always is asking regarding that which E2E testing we have to select. As you welcome to the Cypress, and we browser also it will ask every time which browser you want to run. We are by default Cypress Chrome browser we are selecting. So what is our test case number? CSS selector. This is CSS selector is there. Click on that. You will see our website is launching. We are navigating the particular websites. Okay, and you can see the website is launched successfully, and click on ID. So is click on the ID practice. So after practice click is coming this things is coming practice. Okay, so this is like we can say particular things like hash ID we use. Okay, so now we will after in this page we came on this page. Okay, so we want to click on. After practice, we click and here is coming welcome to practice and something else. But for us, it's coming like this way. Okay, let it be. So after this page, we are coming and we need to go to home page again. So for example, home page you want to go, we have to take that button. Okay, in home page, you can see that this is our ID, right? This is our ID. And as we know first we used first code we use hash id. Now we will use tag hash id we want to use. So hash will give one, and what is the tag of this one? What is the tag? So you can see when tag will start from li. This is li. Okay, so you have to type li. Okay, this is our tag. So you can take this one, and after click on the practice button, we have come back to the home button. Again click on the home button, we have to come in the home page again. That is our scenario to use that both the things related to hash id and tag hash id, both we have to use. Okay, now we will click on that. Okay, and dot click. Okay, so now first we are clicking on that and later this one. So now you can see our test case is running. We are clicking the practice buttons and again we are clicking on the home button. See, you can see we are clicking on the home buttons. This is the home button. So this is there, and when you learn about that test case, so you will get to know about these things is time travel. So see here we are there, and click on button. See, this is a get button, so it is highlighting right side. You can see right side. So this is button is highlighting. Clicking on the clicking. Okay, and after that we this page is all launching, and this is again home button is coming. So this is the example of how to use the selectors hash id and tag hash id. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.